Hi there, everyone. I'm meteorologist Ashley Baylor with a check of your latest forecast. It was absolutely beautiful out there today. We had a nice mix of sun and clouds with temperatures in the 70s, so not a bad start to the weekend. Unfortunately, it's not exactly going to be a fantastic finish. We are tracking two systems right now. We have this cold front that we were tracking across the Midwest yesterday, and now it is approaching the East Coast and also parts of New England. And we also have Tropical Storm Philippe, and you can see we have a lot of rain that is working its way over southern Florida. In fact, the center of Philippe is going to move over southern Florida and then into the Atlantic. But the thing is, the storm will be close enough to the eastern seaboard that we are going to tap into some of the moisture associated with this tropical storm, and we'll also have this approaching front. So it's two systems we'll kind of be dealing with as we go into Sunday. So let's take a look at exactly what's going on here with our future track forecast. Here we are at 7 o'clock in the morning. So we will start to see rain developing once we get past midnight tonight. So it's going to be a wet start to your Sunday, something to keep in mind as you take the dog out for a walk or as you're heading out to Sunday services. You'll definitely want an umbrella or a raincoat. So as we head through your Sunday, notice we don't get too many breaks in the action here. We are going to be dealing with rain for pretty much the entire day. And notice some of these splashes of oranges and reds mixing in. That's basically indicating the possibility for some moderate to even heavy rainfall at times. So you can see as this front approaches, we have Philippe that'll be pushing offshore, but again, close enough that we do tap into some of the moisture associated with Philippe, even though we are not going to take a direct hit. We will still have some rain out there by 7 o'clock in the evening. Then we kind of start to see both systems push away as we go from Sunday night on into Monday morning. So Monday morning, it's a dry start to the day. We'll gradually see decreasing clouds going through Sunday night. So we're looking at lots of sunshine to start your Monday, and luckily we'll be tracking lots of sunshine throughout the day. But behind that frontal boundary, cooler air is going to spill into the region. So we're not going to be talking about highs in the 70s anymore. In fact, highs are going to be in the low 60s on Monday. Some places may struggle to make it out of the upper 50s. And in addition to the fact that it is going to be a rather cool day, we will be contending with winds out of the west and even almost northwest at times, sustained anywhere between 10 to 20 miles per hour, gusting even a little bit higher than that. So bright, but definitely windy as we go into Monday. Then things really start to settle down on Tuesday, which is Halloween. We'll have lots of sunshine. Temperatures will top out in the mid 60s that day. So by the time the kids head out to collect their treats, temperatures will be in the upper 50s to low 60s. So we're looking great for Halloween. It's just going to be a bit of a bumpy ride getting there. And here's a look at the potential rainfall totals as we go through Sunday on into Monday morning. You can see out towards the 95 corridor and even west of that, we're looking at some higher rainfall totals, possibly anywhere from 2 to 3 inches, but a little bit closer to the coast. Overall, we're looking at about 1 to 1.5, maybe locally higher amounts up to 2 inches. It kind of depends where some of those heavier rain bands set up. But again, the farther west you go, that's where you're going to find the higher totals. But we could easily see 1 inch to 1.5 inches here in Hampton Roads and across northeast North Carolina. So definitely a wet one on Sunday, but nice and bright on Monday with highs around 61 degrees, 66 on Tuesday. We'll have another chance for a few isolated showers on Thursday.